Yo, what's good everybody? It's Felix, and today I'm gonna be doing a test for my new Insta36p Ace Pro 2. This is a major upgrade for the channel. My GoPro Hero 8 or 9, that thing permanently died. I don't know what the hell is going on with that thing, and I hate recording from my iPhone. So this is gonna be a huge upgrade for the channel, and the point of this video is mainly gonna be a test, but also a slight update and a little unboxing from FP. I just got my turbo back in. Let's check out what's done with it. So low-key, this all kind of sucks because I actually recorded all of this, and I had a different kind of mic in the Insta36p, and when I went to review the footage and try to put the video together, the footage sounded absolutely crazy. I'm gonna show you guys a little example of what it sounded like. I don't know what the hell happened. I gotta do a little bit of research and maybe just figure out how to fix that issue. But anyways, we have our package here from FP, and let's check it out. So in the box, we finally got my FP green back. I sent this thing out for repair probably like 3 weeks ago or so, and just got it back. So what FP did is my turbo was actually smoked from that from my bearing failure, so I had to get a whole new center cartridge in there. So this piece is brand new in here. Again, my center cartridge, my exhaust housing, they actually coated it with something. I don't know what the hell this coating is, but it looks really good. Looks like they blasted my my water pipes as well. And yeah, I mean, the only thing that's still from my old turbo, I guess, is my water pipe, and then also my compressor housing here. So I wanted to stay with the 2.4 inch. If you guys saw my last video, I have my brand new Killer B hard inlet, so that thing's gonna look really good in there. This is also from my Grimspeed front mount. So I actually took this pipe and welded on the V-band clamp for my tile blow-off valve, and then we also did a brand new bung in there for my speed density IAT sensor. So yeah, I also wanted to show this off really quick because I haven't put this on video, but this thing is fucking sick. My boy Andrew is the one that does this. He offers a powder coating service, and this thing is beautiful. This is in Spanish gold here. It's my IAG competition series AOS. They don't even sell these anymore. I believe they have like some kit now, but this thing looks so good. So I got the housing itself in Spanish gold, spot on with the wheels, and competition conversion up top, and we did wrinkle black on everything else. And this thing is beautiful. I cannot wait to get this thing in the engine bay. Woo! That thing's gonna look good. Right now, I am waiting on my out front 575 block to deliver. I did go long rod. I did a lot of contemplating back and forth between standard rod and long rod, and I decided, you know what, let me give it a shot. I'm gonna give it a try. Long rod, let's see what happens. This motor is gonna be fucking sick. It's gonna sound so good too, with my BC 272 cams, my brand new turbo basically, my hard inlet. Yo, I can't wait to see how this car sounds. It's gonna feel so good. So yeah, boys, that about wraps it up for this video today. Again, it was just really a test on this new camera, and this thing is cool, man. I'm definitely liking it a lot more than the GoPro already. So stay tuned, a lot more content coming soon, a step up in quality starting right now. And again, we got our block on the way. As soon as our block gets here, we're gonna get this thing put together, and we're gonna be back outside, be back at the shows, be back at the tent, be back at the booth, be back at everything. So I'm ready for it. We're getting there, and thank you for being here on this journey. A lot more coming, I promise you. Stay tuned. Check you guys out.